Ho ho ho! Christmas Eve is here, everyone! Time to load up the sleigh. This will be our most magical Christmas yet.
I'm ready, Santa. I'm ready to help deliver presents. Oops, I meant to do that.
Don't forget the emergency cookies, Santa. You never know when someone might need a warm treat. These always make everything better.
All right, everyone, let's make some Christmas magic.
This is so exciting, but all this preparation is making me sleepy. Jolly drowsily. Just need to rest my eyes for a tiny moment.
Santa, not noticing. On Dasher! On Dancer! Santa, concerned. Oh my, where's little Jolly? Santa, conteed, determined. We must find him right away. Santa, Momo, I need you to find Jolly. Take some of your special cookies. He might be scared.
Momo determined. Don't worry, Santa. I'll bring our little friend home safe and sound. Momo Jolly, little Jolly, where are you? Momo gently. There you are, little one. Time to wake up. I have just the thing to help you feel better.
Momo? Where am I? I'm lost. I fell out of the sleigh. Santa will never find me. I'm too little to help with Christmas.
Here, take this cookie. It's made with extra Christmas magic. Don't be scared, Jolly. Even the smallest ones can do big things with courage.
Really? Even someone as little as me? Then let's get back to Santa. Christmas needs us.
You're doing great, Jolly. Look how brave you are.
Jolly, Momo, thank goodness you're both safe. Jolly, you showed such courage tonight. I think you've earned something special.
Really, Santa? What do you mean?
How would you like to lead the sleigh for the next stretch of our journey?
I won't let you down, Santa. I learned that even the smallest ones can do big things with courage.